Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I will show how to rig character with After Effects, no DUIK BASSEL and no any plugins. Let's get started. So friends, this is part 2, and do you want to watch part 1? Go to my YouTube channel, click videos. And you can watch here character design in After Effects. And after watch this video, back to here and let's rig this character without DUIK BASSEL and other plugins. I will use only After Effects tools. So first go to window and enable here create nulls from paths. Okay, let's select this hand left. Okay, let's open inside. Open shape 1 and open path 1, select this path and go to click points follow nulls. Okay, right now I have two null object. Let's select this and let's see. Okay, very nice. So in this time let's select this yellow hand. Let's select here. Let's switch layer. Okay, hand left 2. I want to link to path 1 or path 2. Okay. Let's change name control left hand and select this hand left 2. Let's link to control left hand null object and let's select this null object. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So in this time let's select this hand left, click toggle switch mode and click this icon and select this hand left. Click this icon for hide layers and go to click this icon for hide all layers. Okay, nice. So let's select this hand right. Again make someone, open inside, contents, shape 1, path 1, select this path, click points follow nulls. Okay, again we have two controllers. Select this null object, change name, control, right, hand. And select this hand right. This is inside shape layer. Let's see. Okay, let's link to control right hand and let's click this icon for hide this layer and select this control. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's make someone for foot layers. Let's select this foot left, open inside and select path 1, select path and click points follow nulls. Okay, let's see. Okay, change name control left foot and let's select this foot left. This is black shape layer. Let's link to control left foot and click this icon for hide this layer. Okay, select this control left foot. Let's see. Okay, nice. So we can change this black shape layer size for fix this problem, and this is best way for solution. Okay, so select this foot left, click this for hide layer, select this foot left 2. This is right foot. Let's open inside, contents, shape 1, path 1, select this path, click points follow nulls again. Let's close inside and change this controller name control right foot and select this foot left 2, click this for hide and go to foot right. This is black shape layer again. Let's link to controller right foot. Again click this icon for hide this black shape layer. So in this time let's select these circle layers and link to body and click this icon for hide. Select body. Let's open inside and this is rectangle path. We can't make controllers. Let's select this rectangle path 1, right mouse and click convert to bezier path. Right now we can select path 1, open inside, select path and click points for nulls. Nice. We have more controllers. Let's select this. Let's see. Okay, this is funny for make deformation animations. Okay, nice. So let's select these paths and go to color, change red or change blue and select this body. Let's click this hide. Okay, so in this time let's select this eye white. Let's see. Okay, select this eyeball. Let's click toggle switch modes and go to alpha matte. Let's select here eye white, or let's link to alpha matte to eye white and select this eye white and click for enable. Press S, click this icon. We can change eye blink like this. Nice. Click this icon for hide layers. Select this here. Let's link to body and click this for hide again layers. Select this eye white and eyeball, modes, glass and cap and check. Let's link to here. Select here. Let's see. Okay, and select pan behind, move the anchor point down, click selection tool, and right now we can make rotation. Let's press R and change rotation. Okay, fine. So in this time we can make animation with these controllers. Let's close window and in this time select this controller left. Let's move up here. And controller right, moved up here, and controller left hand, move to here, moved up, controller right hand, moved up, and select these 4 layers, and right mouse, let's select grid layers. Okay, nice. And in this time we can make foot and hand animations with these controllers. So select this controller. Let's press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to here. Let's move it up like this. Okay, let's select this controller. Go to first, second, press P, make new passing keyframe. Go to here, and let's make like this. And select this eye white, press S. And in this time, make scale keyframe. And go to here, change scale like this. Okay, and select this eyeball. Go to here, press P, make new passing keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and change like this. Okay, funny. And let's select these foot controllers. Go to here, press P, make new passing keyframe, and select this controller, press P, make new passing keyframe. Go to here, and let's move to right, like this, and this, move to left. Okay, and let's fix this problem. Select this layer and change scale like this. And select this, change scale. Okay, let's see. Nice. And let's select these controllers for body. Let's first select this cap and height. For select easy controllers, select this null. And go to here, press P. And make new passing keyframe. Select this, press P. Make new passing keyframe. Go to here and let's change like this. Okay, and select these body controllers. Let's select this. Okay, press P, make new passing keyframe, and select this point. Press P, make new passing keyframe. Go to here, and let's move it down like this. So this is test animation, and you can make your animation way better results. Okay, nice. Select this here, press R, make rotation keyframe, go to here, change rotation like this, and let's select this cap, let's enable, and let's see. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.